Imagine coming home after a long day, opening your fridge and seeing a delicious, nutritious meal waiting for you. No decision fatigue, no takeout temptations, and no frantic phone calls to your local delivery service. That's the magic of meal prepping, and today we're going to show you how to do it right, restaurant style. But why should you put in the effort to meal prep like a restaurant? What's in it for you? Well, let's start with the obvious. It saves time. Restaurants don't wait until lunchtime to start preparing their food. They prep ingredients, cook sauces, and assemble dishes in advance, because they know it speeds up service during busy hours. The same goes for you. When you take the time to prep your meals in advance, you won't be spending your precious time cooking every night. Instead, you'll be able to enjoy a home-cooked meal without the last-minute stress. Then there's the money-saving aspect. Restaurants have overhead costs like rent, utilities, and staff to pay for, which is why eating out regularly can be a drain on your wallet. By meal prepping, you eliminate these costs, and you can actually enjoy restaurant-quality meals at a fraction of the price. When you prep like a restaurant, you buy your ingredients in bulk. Use leftovers strategically and avoid the temptation of takeout, which often leads to overspending. In the long run, it's a cost-effective way to eat well. And finally, let's talk about reducing stress. We all get stressed when we re-hungry, and the thought of cooking adds even more pressure to that. With meal prepping, you take back control. You eliminate the daily stress of what to cook, the grocery shopping, the preparation, and the cleanup. And this leaves you with more time and energy to tackle other aspects of your life. Now that you understand the why, let's dive into the how of meal prepping like a restaurant. First, choose a day. It's essential to set aside a specific day for meal prepping. This could be on a Sunday to plan for the entire week or a day off when you have more time to spare. Dedicate a few hours to the task and make sure you're well rested and energized. Next, gather your recipes. Select recipes that are easy to make in bulk and store well. Look for meals that can be prepped in advance and reheated, or even eaten cold. Some great options include salads, soups, stews, roasted vegetables, and fruits. Third, make a detailed shopping list. Before you head to the supermarket, create a comprehensive list of all the ingredients you'll need for your chosen recipes. Organize your list by the sections of the supermarket, so that you can shop efficiently. Now it's time to buy in bulk. When purchasing ingredients, look for sales and discounts, and stock up on non-perishable items. For perishable items, buy only what you need for the week. This will minimize waste and keep your food budget under control. The next step is to wash and prep your ingredients. This includes washing, chopping, and storing them in airtight containers. Pre-chopping vegetables, for example, can save you a lot of time during the week. Now start cooking. Begin by cooking the components of your meals that can be made in advance and frozen or refrigerated. This might include grilling chicken breasts, baking sweet potatoes, or cooking quinoa. Cook large batches to ensure you have enough for several meals. Next, portion out your meals. Divide your cooked dishes into individual portions for each day of the week. This makes it easier to reheat and serve during the week. You can use reusable containers or buy BPA-free plastic meal prep containers. Finally, label and date your meal prep containers. This helps you keep track of what's in each container and prevents food waste. Remember, meal prepping like a restaurant is not just about convenience. It's about making healthier food choices, saving money, and reducing stress. Experiment with different recipes. Find what works best for you and your schedule. And soon you'll be enjoying the benefits of having restaurant-quality meals at your fingertips. So give it a try and let us know how it goes. Bon appetit, and happy meal prepping!